Imagine trying to host a dinner while being cut off from your family's laughter in the next room. That was the everyday reality for this family, living in a home where the kitchen and living room were worlds apart. For this family from Auckland, their home's outdated layout wasn't just inconvenient, it was limiting their ability to connect and entertain. With a baby on the way, they needed a transformation, not just a change. That's where the renovation team stepped in.
Coming from the downstairs, this is the upstairs. We're going to extend this wall because it's not flush. Straight line all the way to here. Straight line all the way to the bottom. It's going to be a new bedroom in that area. We'll be closing those walls completely. That bedroom, we're going to block off this door from here. This wall is going to be pushed inside and the entry is going to be from here. Putting a new wall here. We're going to make a box here for a wardrobe for that room, for the backside. So the majority of the job is living room, laundry room behind here, and kitchen. We're going to remove all of that. It all be in the drawing. New ceiling in this area, that's gone. Fireplace is gone, all the way from the roof. That's all gone. That fireplace needs to be completely demolished. New sliding door from here up to there. That will be closed off.
We designed a visionary open-plan living space that combines the kitchen, dining, and living areas into one harmonious environment. By integrating cutting-edge design elements like metal beams for support and expansive sliding doors, we created a truly transformative living experience. The family moved out for 8 weeks, trusting us to work our magic. They returned just in time for a new beginning, welcoming their newborn into a modern, open, and warmly inviting home.
Okay, hey guys, thanks for all your hard work. We've just had a little walkthrough and we're amazed. You're doing a great job. We're really happy.
Can't wait to move in. It looks amazing. You guys have done a wicked job. Everything's exactly how we wanted it and asked. So better than what we asked. So
are you ready to embrace a home that grows with your family's needs? Contact James Goran from the renovation team today, and let's make your home a place where memories are not just made, but cherished and shared effortlessly.